Hello everyone, John Goreham from Torque News here. Today we're going to take the spare tire out of a Toyota Highlander. This is the first generation Highlander, and unlike a lot of modern crossovers, the spare tire is up underneath the vehicle rather than under the cargo floor. So what we're going to do first is we're going to take the tire down from underneath. And so there's a few steps to that we're going to show you right now. The first thing you want to do is locate your tools. You're going to need two tools today for this job. The first is this little special nut, and the second is the special wrench. The spare tire has a cover underneath, and to remove it, you simply twist it. I already freed it up a little bit. You just twist it, and it drops right down. The real reason I wanted to get this tire out today isn't because I have a flat, but rather I want to maintain the system that holds this to the vehicle. There's a special little nut here that is subject to rust, and I want to inspect it and put a little bit of 3-in-1 oil on it, make sure the cable is still functioning properly. I want to pump up the tire, which is going flat, and then underneath there is an area where the cable comes down, and I want to go and lubricate that as well. So I'm going to go ahead and take care of those steps. Boy, is this tire dirty. I've been very fortunate not to need it for a long time. The remarkable thing about the tires that are stored up under the vehicle is just how much abuse they take. Take a look at this. Look at the corrosion on this alloy wheel. Just amazing. Just totally, beyond belief in terms of how much abuse this tire has taken, having never been on the vehicle. Now let's take a look at the tires that are on the vehicle. As you can see, the rims are perfect. No road rash. I keep this car nice. But what's really is just surprising to me is how badly these under the vehicle tires get abused, which is really why vehicles now come with a compact spare in the trunk. These ones are difficult to really rely on. So I'm going to clean this up with garden hose and a little bit of car wash soap. Then I'm going to pump the tire back up to around 35 psi and tuck it back up under the vehicle. And I'm going to spend some real quality time lubricating all of the mechanisms that are involved in this. Now that we've cleaned and lubricated the spare tire and its assemblies, the last step is to just button it all back up the same way it was when we took it down. Put the cover back on, and then ease the tire back underneath the vehicle and start cranking it back up.